Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Ford Explorer. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a serpentine belt tensioner tool. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Next, locate the alternator, which is usually found on the lower passenger side of the engine compartment, often near the front. Now, let's remove the old alternator. Use your serpentine belt tool to relieve tension on the belt, then carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect the main power wire and any other electrical connectors attached to the alternator. Finally, unbolt the alternator from its mounting brackets, typically 2 or 3 bolts, and carefully maneuver the old unit out of the engine bay. With the old unit out, it's time to install the new alternator. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting location. Secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications. Reconnect all electrical connections, ensuring they are snug and secure. Finally, guide the serpentine belt back onto the alternator pulley, making sure it is properly seated on all pulleys. For the final steps, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and observe the dashboard for any battery warning lights. Using a multimeter, check the battery voltage. It should read between 13.5 and 14.5 volts, indicating proper charging. Listen carefully for any unusual noises or belt squeaks, which could signal an issue with the installation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.